Hey everyone. Ever thought about starting your own school online? Teaching something you're really into.
Like what?
I don't know, like anything. Ancient Sumerian poetry, history of cheese making.
Okay, yeah.
So get this, there's this platform, AI Live School Builder,
Okay.
and they say they can use AI to build the whole thing for you.
Really? A whole online school?
Yeah. Like using AI so you can teach whatever you're passionate about.
Wow, that's a pretty big claim.
Right, building a whole school. That's not easy, even if you're a pro teacher or something.
Definitely not.
But imagine using AI to make it easier so anyone can do it, even if they never taught before.
Yeah, I can see how that would be appealing.
Appealing. It's mind-blowing. They say you can launch a school in under a minute.
Wait, what? A minute?
Yeah. And get this, it comes with AI live teachers for 20 different subjects.
AI teacher, so like robots.
Not exactly robots,
Yeah.
but yeah, AI teachers. And it comes with interactive classes.
Yeah.
All ready to go.
Interesting. What about managing the students? Does it do that too?
Of course. They even have a system to manage all your students.
Okay, and so how do you make money from this?
Oh, hold on to your hats because it
Yeah.
gets even better. They say you can start making money right away, right after you launch.
Really? So built-in ways to profit from the school?
Exactly. Built-in monetization.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Wow. There's a lot to unpack here.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah, so maybe we should start with the basics. What is this 3 clicks away system they talk about?
Okay, so imagine this. You log into their dashboard, right?
Okay.
And you choose a subject.
Like cheese making.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or Sumerian poetry, whatever you're into. Then you pick an AI live teacher who vibes with your subject.
Okay.
And then boom, you launch your school.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Yeah.
You're in business, sharing your knowledge with the world.
It does sound super simple.
Right.
Almost too good to be true, honestly.
I know, right?
Mhm.
But if they can actually do it, it could be huge.
Yeah, if it works like they say, it could really change online learning.
Totally. Imagine anyone who knows stuff could be an online teacher.
Yeah, anyone could be an expert sharing what they know.
And get this, they say you can get a 50% commission. That's over $537 per person who visits your school.
Wow, that's a big commission.
Right. Just they're encouraging everyone to become an entrepreneur.
Yeah, the money part is definitely a big motivator. And they're also doing a contest, right?
Oh, yeah. With over $3,000 in prizes.
Wow, really?
Yeah. And they've got this famous affiliate marketer guy, Udhab Pramanik, who's promoting it to tons of people.
No, big deal.
I know, right? So there's this opening contest and then a great racing contest, and they both have different deadlines and stuff. It's like a race to see who can make the most money from their school.
It sounds pretty intense.
It's wild.
So it seems like they're really focused on speed and efficiency with this platform.
Oh, absolutely. They want you to build your school quickly and then start marketing it right away.
Yeah. And then start making money. Got it.
Exactly. And don't forget about the done for you part. They have all these AI live teachers and subjects and even classes and core stuff like math and science all ready to go.
So you don't have to create everything from scratch?
Nope. They take care of a lot of the hard work for you.
That's pretty amazing. So what kind of subjects are we talking about here?
Well, they have the basic stuff like math, physics, chemistry.
Okay, the core subjects.
But it's not just that. They have technology and coding, music and art, languages, even business and finance.
Wow, that's a lot of variety.
Right. And health and wellness, too. It's crazy.
It sounds like they're trying to cover pretty much every area of online learning.
Yeah, it's like a one-stop shop for anything you want to learn or teach.
That's pretty ambitious.
And guess what? They even have AI-powered Q&A and tutoring built in.
Wait, what? So the AI can answer questions from students?
Yeah. Imagine you're stuck on some problem, like in astrophysics or something.
Okay, yeah.
And bam, the AI tutor is there 24/7 to help you through it.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
I know, right? It's the future of learning is here.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So how do these AI teachers actually work?
Okay, so that's the million-dollar question.
Right.
The stuff we have doesn't really explain the technical details of how the AI works.
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
But we can probably make some guesses.
Yeah, let's hear it. What do you think?
Well, based on what we know about AI right now, I'm guessing they use natural language processing and machine learning.
Okay, so they can understand and respond to questions in a natural way.
Exactly. And they probably have tons of pre-programmed content too.
Yeah, that makes sense. So they're not just robots reading from a script.
Right.
They can actually interact and adjust based on what the student needs.
That's the idea, yeah. So they're not just robots reading a script.
Right.
They could actually answer questions and change how they teach depending on how the students are doing.
Yeah, that's what they're saying, at least. They say these AI live teachers can personalize stuff and give feedback, like right away in real time.
Okay, but like how good is it really?
That's what we need to figure out. We'd have to see it in action to know for sure.
It makes me think about back in college. I remember pulling all-nighters to study for like organic chemistry exams,
Oh, yeah.
and I would just like flip through textbooks and pray I'd pass.
Yeah.
But imagine if I'd had an AI tutor, like right there with me, explaining all the hard stuff.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Right. It could totally change things for students who don't do well in normal classes or who need extra help.
Yeah, it could be a game changer for sure. And think about like students who live in remote areas or maybe have disabilities that make it hard to go to a regular school.
Yeah, that's true.
This could help them get a good education no matter where they are or what their situation is.
It's like everyone on the planet could be in the same classroom learning together.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just individual students too. Businesses could use this for training, right?
Oh, yeah.
Or governments could use it to teach people in like underprivileged communities.
It really could be used for almost anything, huh?
The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing when you think about it.
So what kind of AI live schools do you think people will create?
That's a good question.
Like I can imagine language schools where you can talk to a virtual native speaker.
Yeah, or like coding boot camps that adjust to how fast you learn.
Or, art classes where the AI is like a master artist teaching you how to paint.
Yeah, I like that one.
The possibilities are endless.
It's pretty exciting, and the best part is the platform takes care of all the boring stuff,
Like what?
like hosting the school online, managing the students, dealing with payments.
So you can focus on the fun part, like teaching.
Exactly. It's like they're giving people the tools to become like educational entrepreneurs.
Anyone with an idea can build a school and share it with everyone. It's pretty empowering when you think about it.
Definitely. It goes back to what we were saying about like making education available to everyone.
Democratizing it.
Yeah, exactly. This platform could really shake things up in the education world.
But, there are still some things to think about. Like, how do these AI live teachers handle, like, sensitive topics or ethical stuff?
That's a good point.
Can we really trust algorithms to teach about those kinds of things?
That's a big question.
Yeah. The people who make this technology need to make sure the AI is programmed the right way so it doesn't teach biased or wrong information.
Definitely. It's not just about teaching facts, it's also about teaching kids to think critically and to be good citizens.
Right. And what about human teachers? What happens to them?
Yeah, where do they fit in?
Are they going to be replaced by AI, or is this more about, like, working together?
That's a tough question. It's probably a bit beyond what we're talking about today.
Yeah, true.
But it's an important conversation to have. The future of education is probably going to involve both humans and AI working together.
So finding the right balance between them is going to be really important.
Definitely.
It's kind of crazy to think about all this, right?
Yeah. It's a lot.
On the one hand, it's amazing. We can make education so much better, personalize it, make sure everyone can learn.
Yeah.
But then there's, like, the big questions.
Right. Like what happens to human teachers?
And can we really trust AI to teach kids about, like, ethics and stuff?
Exactly.
It's exciting, but also kind of scary.
It is, yeah. But one thing's for sure, AI is changing the world.
Yeah.
And education's not going to be left behind.
So for everyone listening, like, what should we take away from all this?
Good question. What do you think?
Well, I think the big question is, if AI can build and teach a whole school online,
Okay.
what does that even mean for us? For our skills and what we're good at?
Yeah, that's a big one.
Well, we need to, like, learn new stuff just to keep up with AI.
It's possible.
Maybe we'll need to focus on things that AI can't do.
Yeah, things that make us human, like being creative or solving really complex problems.
Right. AI is not that good at that stuff, at least not yet.
And what about like learning new things throughout your whole life?
Lifelong learning.
Yeah. If learning's so easy and personalized, will we all just keep learning forever?
That's a cool thought. Maybe the whole idea of going to school for a few years and then working, like, that might totally change.
It might.
Maybe we'll all just keep learning and changing as technology changes,
Yeah, constantly adapting.
It's definitely a wild time to be alive, seeing all this crazy technology mixed with education.
It is.
Who knows what'll happen next, but it's going to be interesting, that's for sure.
Totally agree.
Well, this has been an awesome deep dive into AI and education. This AI live school builder is definitely doing some crazy stuff.
It is, yeah.
And it makes you think about the future.
Lots to think about.
Big thanks to everyone for listening. Hope this got you thinking about the future of learning.
It was great exploring all this with you.
And hey, until next time, keep learning and keep those minds curious. See ya.